with the weather. You've been mocking me in the office today for coughing and things like that, my annoying cough. But it's the weather, surely. It's that time of year, isn't it? I'm a trooper.
A trooper.
No.
So annoying, coughing away. And it's not because it's cold, because it's actually quite mild. We've got a southerly airflow and it's going to stay that way for the weekend. Today, actually, was a decent day. For most of us, there were some showers, and there are some at the moment, but a lot of us saw skies like this. Plenty of sunshine on the Wirral, however, still quite blustery along the coast. So what's going on? Well, low pressure is about to take over, so settled for most. Low pressure comes through. So for tomorrow, I'm afraid, if you have got outdoor activities, there is rain and strong winds in the forecast, with Sunday looking to be the better day of the weekend. So there are some showers, particularly for southern parts of Cumbria and Lancashire. Some of those showers could be quite sharp, but for most of us, it's dry through this evening if you are heading out and about, but breezy. But dry, and overnight tonight it's not really going to be that chilly, 7 to 10 degrees, so we're not going to get a frost. All in all, it's not looking too bad, and that leads us to a fine, deceptive start to your day tomorrow. Best of the weather first thing. Cloud is going to thicken up, and here comes that rain coming in from the west. Now, some of us will get away with just a few bits here and there until the middle part of the day, when we're expecting some heavier downpours. Strong winds, strong and gusty, particularly for coastal parts where we are expecting potentially some gales, a high of about 12 or 13 degrees. Those temperatures don't drop off very much as we head overnight into Sunday, and for Sunday itself, it looks mostly dry and fine, plenty of sunshine, and the breeze starts to ease down. Next week, actually, it's not looking too bad either.
Yeah, Kate, you're in the warmth of the studio tonight, but
Yes.
Next week you're back out on the road, aren't you, for On The Map?
I'm on the map.
K's About, as we call it.
Well, I want to be on the map.
Yeah.
But at the minute, I'm not on the map because I've got nowhere to go. So I'm hoping that you might be able to help me.